Start by removing the spool knob, spring, and plate. Place the spool with the material facing down at the front of the machine. Put the plate back on with the key going into the slot on the arm assembly. Place the spring and screw the spool knob back on. Now you can take the material, go under the first roller, over the second roller and under the third roller. With wire cutters, make a clean cut to the material. Feed material up through the no-back assembly. Pull out roughly an arm's length worth of material and start feeding material up through the guide. Feed the material up through the guide until it is visible just below the twister. Turn the machine back on, this will engage the brake. Now your XL8 air ring tire is ready.